Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows update error with the error code 0x8024002e on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Simply copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Paste the script here. First of all, it will stop all services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the profile associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. Then it will re-register all the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.